driver in Florida is wanted for speeding. But the instant he hears sirens, he launches into one of the dumbest and deadliest getaway attempts of all time. No sooner does the man put pedal to the metal, he puts metal to a pole. The officer readies his taser. It won't be enough.
On the ground!
The punk gets out, but look closely. A pistol drops out of his belt. He picks it up and tries to run, but is dropped by 50,000 volts. That's when he makes his most dangerous move yet.
Drop the gun! On the other side! On the other side! Drop it!
The officer sees the gun in the suspect's hand. He won't give him the chance to use it.
Drop the gun! On the other side!
The outlaw rolls over, and the cop has no choice but to fire. Only now does the man cooperate.
Shots fired, Tower! Shots fired!
It's soon clear why.
On the ground!
One of the bullets struck his face. For this string of stupid decisions, Antonio Gibbons is awarded one of the worst mugshots in history and 5 years in prison. Though he's lucky he survived at all.